Hi, welcome back to Market Monday. Thanks for joining me each week. So I'm here to talk about what's happening in the market here in Northwest Ohio. And as you can see, we currently have just a smidge over 1,300 available homes for our buyers. We have 1,219 active available listings and 83 houses that are actually in the coming soon status. So this means that they will be coming on the market for the buyers in the next 21 days. A couple areas that I like to focus on, Oregon, because I grew up there, and currently I'm living in Point Place. So these are two areas that I like to just share those specific numbers. So Oregon has 17 active available homes. Point Place has a few more with 27. Oregon had 4 new listings last week and 3 new coming soon listings. Point Place had 5 new listings and 5 new coming soon homes. So that's what's accommodating a little bit more for the number of new listings or active available listings in Point Place. We had 6 houses that went under contract, are getting ready to close in Oregon, 8 in Point Place, 4 that actually sold and closed in Oregon, and 7 that sold and closed in Point Place. So the market is still very active, as you can tell from our numbers. And then this is also just like our total numbers for the past 7 days, 49 new coming soon listings. This is great news. We need more homes for our buyers. Interest rates are still down. 186 new sellers committed to putting their houses on the market in the last 7 days. So it's great news. We had a total of 234 that went off the market last week that sold and closed. This is the number, one of the numbers. So we like to keep an eye on what's happening with new listings. So we have 135 new or 235 new listings and coming soon listings. And we had 234 that went off. So we sold just about as many sold and closed as we had come on the market last week. And so in the spring and summer, those numbers were reversed, and that's what was causing such a shortage. And of course, when there's low inventory, it drives up prices. But as you can see, we're starting to get more listings, and we have been for the past couple months. So that's softening the market just a smidge because we are getting more listings and we are selling a few less than we're actually getting. So that does make the market soften a little bit. So we are still seeing a very competitive, very active market. September, you can see that our home sales were up 2% over 2020 of September. We had 1,145 total homes that sold in September. That number was down. I think we closed around 13 something in August. But year over year, we were up 2%. The average sales price was up in September of 2021 over September of 2020, up 2.7% to an average sales price of about 191. The average number of days that it takes to sell a house in our market currently is about 55. And we had an increase in the number of new listings on the market in September from up 2% from September of 2020. So again, we've been talking the last month or so about the market is softening a smidge, but let's not get it out of context, because what's really important, though we are seeing these early signs of softening, as you can see, I've got a quote right there, and the active number of pending sales that is softening, and they're going down a little bit. These numbers are still well above what a traditional healthy market would look like. So we can see here, you see the green dot on the screen, that shows where the pandemic was. So that was our huge dip in the market. And then we had the huge spike last summer, because when we did start selling homes, they were definitely at an accelerated pace. And then you see we went into winter. So there's always traditionally a normal drop here in the wintertime. And then we spiked for spring and summer of 2021. And now you can see as we're heading into fall, we're headed back into a little bit slower period. So though the market is softening a little bit, we have a little bit less showings. This one is showings. The last one, as we just talked about, the number of pending home sales. So though we are seeing some signs of some slight softening, it is still, don't get confused, it's still a very competitive market. So as you can see here from real estate technology firm, the OJO Labs, they're talking about it. The U.S. housing market continues to be ultra competitive, even as new COVID cases surge. So even though we're cooling off slightly, you can see the data shows that we're 49.6% of homes sold for more than their initial listed price in like July and August. So, and we're far ahead of our numbers from 2020, and we're even ahead of our numbers from 2019, which was the last normal housing market year that we had. So if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. I'd be happy to answer any questions that you have. I hope you find this information is helpful. I also post almost daily on my Facebook, Remax, Brenda Kilburn, Remax Preferred Facebook page. So feel free to follow me on there. If you want to get a little more information about some of my other videos that we've done throughout the past couple of years, those are all on YouTube. So I do have a YouTube channel. You can find me there. So any questions, let me know. I hope you have a wonderful week, and I'll see you back here next Monday. Thanks, and have a great day.